Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to break the shell bubble that's hidden behind the transparent barrier in Whalefall area. And then at first, I thought this was about because the bubble looks completely blocked off like this, but it turns out there's a simple trick to get inside. First, just use your canvas. You can just buy it from the catching, NPC catching. And then next, just place the canvas as close as possible to the inside of the transparent barrier like this. And then next, just interact with it like this. And then just start painting like usual. Just start painting. For example like this. And then next, just simply exit the painting mode. And when you do, your character will be moved to these other sides of the barrier, like where the shell bubble is, and from there just walk up to the shell bubble and break it to claim your rewards, just like that. And once you're done, just pick up your canvas and then next just move back out of the barrier. And okay, that's it for this example. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.